Hey everyone, have you ever watched a shipping label printout on a clunky, noisy printer and thought, there's got to be a smoother way? Imagine a compact, whisper-quiet device that slaps a crystal-clear 4/6 label onto a box in under a second, all from the palm of your hand. That's exactly what the MUNBYN Bluetooth Thermal Label Printer, aka the RealWriter 130B, delivers. Today we're diving deep into every feature that makes this little powerhouse a game-changer for anyone who ships, organizes, or brands anything on the go. First up, let us talk speed and cost. The RealWriter series boasts an impressive 72 pages per minute, which translates to roughly 146 shipping label every 0.8 seconds. That rapid cadence isn't just about saving time, it's about cutting errors. When you're printing dozens of orders in a rush, a lagging printer can cause misaligned barcodes, smudged addresses, or worse, a backlog that forces you to outsource to a third-party fulfillment center. With MUNBYN's thermal technology, you eliminate ink and toner entirely. No more cartridges to track, no more messy refills. The printer uses direct thermal paper, and when you pair it with MUNBYN's proprietary label rolls, you get smudge-proof, fade-resistant prints that stay legible for years. For a small business owner, that means lower overhead, fewer returns, and a tighter bottom line. Now, how easy is it to get this thing up and running? The setup is genuinely 3 steps: connect, design, and print. If you're on iOS or Android, just download the free MUNBYN Print app, turn on Bluetooth, and pair. The app automatically detects the printer, and you're ready to design. For PC users, there's no software download nightmare. Open Google Chrome, type MUNBYN Editor into the address bar, and you'll be greeted by a web-based design canvas that works over Bluetooth or a simple USB connection if your desktop doesn't have Bluetooth. This browser-based editor supports drag and drop elements, so you can create a label in seconds without installing drivers or dealing with compatibility quirks. It even works on laptops running Linux because it's just a web page. The result? You can print a FedEx label right from your order management system without ever leaving your workflow. Customization is where the RealWriter truly shines. MUNBYN offers a library of more than 3,500 graphic elements. Think icons for fragile, this side up, or seasonal stickers, and over 2,000 ready-made templates. Whether you need a sleek, brand-aligned shipping label for an e-commerce store or a colorful kitchen pantry label for home organization, you've got options. The editor supports 80 fonts, so you can match your corporate typography or add a fun handwritten vibe for personal projects. Need to import a PDF invoice or a TXT file? No problem, just upload, and the built-in OCR will recognize the text, letting you place it anywhere on the label. Multilingual support means you can switch between English, Spanish, French, or Chinese on the fly, perfect for sellers on Amazon Marketplace who ship internationally. Reliability isn't just a buzzword here. It's backed by over 80,000 entrepreneurs who rely on the RealWriter 130B daily. The printer's 203 dpi resolution delivers razor-sharp QR codes, barcodes, and small fonts, ensuring carriers scan your packages without a hiccup. Because it's thermal, there's no wear and tear from moving print heads, so you get consistent quality for months, even under heavy use. The device is portable, about the size of a paperback book, so you can tuck it into a shipping station, a home office, or even a coffee shop if you're a digital nomad fulfilling orders on the road. Compatibility is another strong suit. MUNBYN syncs seamlessly with major carriers FedEx, UPS, USPS, and integrates directly with marketplace platforms like Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, and eBay. When you print a label from your Shopify admin, the app pulls the order details, formats the label to the carrier's specifications, and sends it straight to the printer. The printer accepts label widths from 1.57 inches up to 4.3 inches, covering everything from tiny price tags to full-size shipping labels. A quick note: while the printer works great with MUNBYN's own thermal rolls, some users have reported issues with UPS's proprietary thermal paper, so we recommend sticking to the brand's labels for flawless performance. Let us put this into a real-world scenario. Imagine you run a small Etsy shop selling handcrafted candles. You receive 10 orders in an hour, each needing a 4/6 label with a custom hand-poured with love sticker, a barcode for inventory, and a shipping address. With a traditional inkjet printer, you'd spend minutes loading paper, waiting for the ink to dry, and dealing with occasional smudges. With the RealWriter, you open the MUNBYN app, select your candle template. The app pulls the order data from Etsy. You add the custom sticker, hit print, and the label slides out crisp and ready to apply. In under 2 minutes, you've printed all 10 labels, saved on ink, and avoided any smudge-related returns. That's a tangible boost in efficiency and professionalism. In summary, the MUNBYN Bluetooth Thermal Label Printer packs speed, cost-saving thermal tech, ultra-simple setup, deep customization, proven reliability, and broad carrier compatibility into a portable, stylish package available in eye-catching colors like pink and lavender purple for those who want a pop of personality on their desk. If you're tired of juggling bulky inkjets, endless cartridge changes, or outsourcing your label printing, the RealWriter 130B is the solution that lets you take control of your shipping workflow and keep your brand looking sharp. Ready to upgrade your labeling game? Click the link below to grab your MUNBYN RealWriter 130B, and while you're at it, pick up a roll of genuine MUNBYN thermal labels to ensure every print is as crisp as the day it left the factory. Trust me, once you experience that silent, lightning-fast print, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!